Hi, welcome to the hangar. Hope everybody's well. I'm pretty excited today because we've got a box of new parts that's just arrived all the way from British Columbia. In here we've got a Raven inverted oil system that we're going to install on the Acroduster a little later. Very excited to get that done. And let's get this thing opened up and take a look at all the goodies that we've been given.
Okay, so as I said, freshly shipped in from British Columbia, our inverted Raven oil system. Okay, here we have our vacuum adapter fittings. So if we don't have a vacuum pump, which we don't on this aircraft, it's not installed. So we're going to remove the blanking plate that's currently in the aircraft, and we'll be installing this in, and this will give us our oil pickup in the inverted position from the engine. There's other options that can be done if you are using a vacuum pump or one of the small alternators that can be attached there to the accessories, but we're not, so that's what we're using. Okay. Okay, our sump fittings to go into the engine. All right. Very nice. This one I'm a little concerned about. There's not a lot of clearance where this has got to go into the engine, and I have a feeling we're going to end up having to modify the engine mount to make this one work. So that will be a little tricky, but those are obviously very tidy. Okay. Here's our tank. This should be the 5-inch version, looking at it. You can do a 4-inch if you've got more limited space, and you can hear the large ball valves in there that will close as we go from inverted to regular flight. So we'll have to have a nice mounting spot for that. Lots of space, so that shouldn't be an issue in this application. Okay. Yeah, so this should have our crankcase vent, inverted, and regular oil pickups, and again it'll shuttle across from all of them, and obviously be following all of the instructions that are provided online. Doesn't seem to be anything in the box. Okay, mounting plate for our tank. Yeah, all right. And a couple of gear clamps. Okay, so we're still going to need to get some hoses. That's everything. That's everything that's in the box. So we're still going to need to get some hoses, most likely a few other fittings. As I mentioned, this here will likely require, on the Acroduster, some modification to the engine mount. I don't think I'm going to be able to make it fit as it is, but that's very exciting. Very exciting indeed. I think that was the easy bit, but we will obviously make a video about installing this in the aircraft, so you can see how that goes, all of our trials and tribulations with that. And then obviously we'll get to do some actual flight testing at some point of this as well. So that's exciting. I'm very excited. So hope everyone's staying safe. Get lots of flying done. Please leave your comments. Love to hear from you guys. And if you've got any other videos you'd like us to do, we would really like to accommodate that. So talk to you all soon. Happy tailwinds.